कब बोर? मम्मा मैं कब बोर हो रही है? मम्मा मैं बोर होने चुप. Mom, I'm bored. Mama nakaboriస్తుంది. मैं बोर हो गया क्या मैं टीवी पढ़ा माँ. पापा. I'm bored पच्ची. बोर हो गया.
I am bored. There is not one home with a child that hasn't heard this complaint before. And these 3 words, I am bored, send parents into an absolute tizzy. But being bored isn't such a bad thing. In fact, being bored can actually be a good thing. On Bachpan Manao, we ask you to let your children play, because play is the language of learning, of joyful learning. It's through play that they discover themselves and discover the world. And just as play helps children discover themselves, so does boredom. So let our children get bored. It's perfectly okay. Now let's see how parents responded when they hear these 3 words. Mama, I am bored.
चलो हम मिलकर ड्राइंग करते हैं.
Okay, Mama.
El Paro book?
Nas.
Yeah, this one or this one?
Nas.
Okay. Paint? Yes, that's nice. You're fine there.
तो बोर होना चाहिए. तो आपका फेवरेट कार्टून देखें? साथ में मिलके बैठ के देखें? चलो आ जाओ. Had J.K. Rowling not got bored on that train journey back to London, probably Harry Potter wouldn't have been written. Some of the best creative minds across the world have credited boredom to their best creations, because it is in these moments of boredom that you make unexpected connections. And it is no different for these 2 very young Indian artists. This is all very well, but how many times we as parents have rushed to fix our children's boredom? What do we as parents do to fix this?
जब भी कभी वो मुझे आकर बोलता है कि पापा मैं बोर हो रहा हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि घर और ऑफिस के साथ साथ एक काम और बढ़ गया.
How can he be bored? बोर कैसे हो सकते हैं बच्चे, और वो भी इतने ऑल्टरनेटिव्स और ऑप्शंस के बाद. अभी 5 किताबें लेके दी जिसमें से सिर्फ 5 पेज पढ़े, बाकी व्हाट हैपेंड टू दोज ग्लिटर पेन्स वो भी लेके दिए थे. बोरिंग इज अ रेड सिग्नल फॉर मी. एंड सबसे पहले गैजेट छुपा लो.
As adults, we pay too much attention to boredom. When a child tells us they're getting bored, very often we rush to address this complaint. We need to encourage boredom. We need to encourage children to discover and engage with whatever is around them, and chances are they will start playing with whatever they find. So what does a child think about when they're getting bored, and what are their most vivid daydreams? Here's what children had to say.
मैं कुछ नहीं करता उस टाइम. मैं बस ऐसे daydream like I want to go out with my friends, but not with my parents, anywhere. To Japan.
हाँ, I always सोचता हूँ. मैं हमेशा सोचता हूँ. I think about I was rich and I could have enough food for the whole world.
What is the story behind this castle?
I would live in it.
Oh, lovely.
I'd build it in real life and live in it.
So when a child says, I'm bored, we have to resist the urge of jumping in to fill that void. We have to give them that space and time to figure things out on their own. And chances are, when they do so, a mental playground may open up, and who knows, a new creative idea or solution may come out. So please do write to us on what you think and how do you deal with this question when your child tells you, I'm getting bored. Thank you for joining us for this conversation. This is Bachpan Manao with NDTV and Ek Step.